Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pauline, and for today's video, it will just be a quick and short video. I'm just going to share with you guys my hair care routine. I'm going to give you tips on how to maintain your blonde hair, the aftercare, and to keep it healthy and shiny even though nadaanan na siya ng bleach. Kasi alam naman nating lahat na kapag bleach mo na yung buhok mo, most probably very damaged na siya, very rough, brittle, madaling magputol-putol, will never be before yung i-bleach yung buhok mo. So for today, I'm just going to show you the things that I use. First thing na i-advise ko sa inyo, kapag shinampo nyo yung buhok nyo, kinonditioner nyo, huwag yung masyadong rough sa pagsuklay ng buhok. Kasi madali talaga siyang magputol-putol. Tapos yung maligo, and kapag basa pa yung buhok nyo, huwag nyo kagad suklayin. Like, let it air dry for a couple of minutes. And then kapag medyo damp na lang siya, tuyo na siya, that's the time that you can brush your hair. One thing with brushing your hair, use a Detangler brush like this. And when you're going to brush your hair, start from the bottom part. Dito muna sa baba, tanggalin nyo muna yung mga buhol-buhol. Kapag nag-smoothen na yung baba, tsaka nyo unti-unting suklayin pataas. Actually, this is applicable kahit sa mga normal hair, yung mga hindi bleached hair, kapag nagkukulay kayo, rebond, mas advisable talaga na dito muna kayo mag-brush ng hair. Kasi pag inumpisahan nyo kagad dito, mas malaking chance na magpigtas-pigtas, magkakaroon kayo ng mga pigtas-pigtas dito sa part na to ng buhok nyo. Start from the bottom first, and then gradually going up. Second tip about shampoo and conditioner. Wala namang specific brand kailangan yung bilhin when choosing your conditioner or shampoo. The only thing na i-advise ko sa inyo ay iwasan ang specific ingredients na to. And that's the dimethicone. Kasi nagkukos siya ng build-up sa strand ng hair nyo, which will make your hair limp. There are reports na nagkukos din siya ng hair fall.
DMDM hydantoin is considered a formaldehyde releaser, which doesn't sound so healthy for your scalp, and there actually is a class action lawsuit going on right now.
So, iwasan nyo yan. So, ako personally, ang ginagamit ko na brand ng shampoo is this. Actually, mahirap maghanap ng shampoo na walang dimethicone. Mostly, tumitingin ako sa ingredients. So, this one, ayan, nakita ko siya sa Watsons. Ito lang yung shampoo na walang dimethicone na included. So, this brand. And medyo pricey yung bottle, kaya refill lang ang kaya ng budget ko. Ito lang na nabili ko. And then, for the conditioner, same thing. Medyo, kita nyo naman, medyo crusty na siya kasi gamit na gamit ko. Pantene Collagen Miracle. Wala din siyang dimethicone. Let me just double check. Yeah, wala siyang dimethicone na ingredient. Hindi lang naman ang kailangan nyo iwasan sa shampoo and conditioner. Walang dimethicone. And then, the third tip na ibibigay ko, ito number 1 to, na laging tinatanong sa akin, purple shampoo. So yes, kailangan yung gumamit ng purple shampoo. Hindi naman necessary everyday purple shampoo, purple conditioner. Ako, ginagamit ko lang siya once or twice a week. And then, the brand na ginagamit ko for my purple shampoo and conditioner is Monea. This one. And then, purple conditioner. Medyo paupos yung purple conditioner kasi mas madalas akong mag-conditioner ng hair. Konti lang yung shampoo na ginagamit ko. And it is sulfate-free. And when I've checked the ingredients, it doesn't have dimethicone on it, which is, I love that it doesn't have that. So, komportable ako na gamitin siya on my hair. Fourth tip is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, I use it once a week. The step that I do is I mix 1 cup of vinegar and then 1 cup of water. Mix nyo lang siya. 1:1 ratio. And then what I do is I put it on my scalp first and then tsaka ko lalagyan yung the rest of my hair. So what it does is it leaves your scalp. Especially kapag nag-bleach ka ng buhok, may times na yung scalp mo is nagiging hot roots na siya, yung sensitive. And then there's like parts na ang kate. There's some parts na very sensitive. So using apple cider vinegar on your scalp will relieve that. And then aside from it, it also acts like a clarifying agent on your scalp and hair. So it removes any residue like hard water on your hair. If you are not familiar with hard water thingy, iipon siya sa buhok nyo. So, kapag chinek nyo yung mga shower nyo or yung klipo sa lababo nyo, makita nyo na parang merong hard thingy sa labasan ng tubig. That's the hard water na naiipon. Possible na maipon sa buhok nyo. So, it clarifies those things. Then, leave it for like 20 to 30 minutes. And then, after that, magsha-shampoo na ako. Normal routine, shower, shampoo, conditioner. Para ma-remove yung vinegar smell sa buhok. And hindi naman siya mabaho. Like, it doesn't leave like an after smell kapag naglagay ka ng apple cider vinegar. And my fifth tip for you guys is rice water. It is so amazing. There's a lot of YouTube videos that you can check about rice water. How it makes your hair strong, it helps your hair grow faster, and it even helps people with alopecia para kumapal yung hukuli nila. There's two ways on how you could use the rice water technique sa buhok mo. So first is you can mix a part of rice, like wash it first, and then after the first wash, water on it, and then leave it there for like 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, you can already start spray your hair. So there's some people that use it a rinse for the hair. So shampoo sila, normal thing, conditioner. And then after that, once they're done, they'll like pour rice water sa buhok nila. Then they're done for the day. But what I do, yung stock na rice water na nababad for 30 minutes, ini-spray ko siya sa buhok ko. Spray mo lang siya sa buhok mo and then leave it on for like good 30 to 1 hour. And then after that, na-shower na ako. Shampoo and conditioner. So, I use it like a pre-shower hair treatment. And then, the very last hair care tip na maibibigay ko sa inyo, that's very, very, very helpful. Like, I have been using this last 6 months when I was starting to hardcore bleach and dye my hair, is castor oil. Oily siya kasi lagi ko talaga siyang ginagamit. I use it every day. Every single day. So, I use it every night before I sleep. I just put oil here sa scalp ko. And then, after that, I'll just put on the lower part of my hair. And then, just tie it in a bun. And then, go to sleep with that. The following day, you can just shower as normal. Yung castor oil, medyo may amoy siya. Hindi siya ganun kabanguhan. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kabango. Yun nga lang, meron siyang smell. I'm sure that some of you are already familiar with castor oil kasi very popular siya for your eyelashes. Like, it makes your eyelashes grow long, and some use it for their eyebrows. For me, I use it for my hair. And then I also put some on my eyebrows para kumapal siya ng konti. Or before using castor oil, pagising ko sa umaga, ang buhok ko, grabe, gulugul talaga siya. I'm sure that there's a lot of you watching that has bleached their hair, that has experienced this. Like, pagising nyo, pagbangon nyo sa umaga, grabe yung buhok nyo talagang gulo-gulo talaga siya. Napakahirap niyang i-untangle. But after using castor oil on my hair, I swear, I never had that. Kung meron man napakakonti lang, like easily ganyanin mo lang, matidetangle na siya. And it really has helped integrity of my hair. Actually, kung tinatamad kayong gawin yung mga rice water vinegar and all of those things, kahit ito na lang ang gawin nyo. Every night, I swear, it will really help. Hope na may naitulong naman sa inyo yung mga shinare ko na tips. Kung meron pa kayong ibang tip kung paano alagaan or mag-improve ang hair, lalo na sa ating mga blondies, so make sure to leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys on my next video. I love you guys.